Welcome back to Perez's Corner. So I have another quick video I've been meaning to do. So we're in my engine bay here. As you can see, my lovely 1.8 Volkswagen B8 turbo engine with my little oil filter here and transmission filter under there. But that's not what this video is about. This video is going to be about the Typhoon intake K&N engineered incorporated Riverside, California tech@filters.com air filter, if that means anything, but that's what it is right here. So I had a few subscribers wanting to know which one should they buy because they had brought in several ones and they didn't work or they didn't fit. I did a video about this here. Please check out. There should be some note cards on the video here regarding this, which AirPod air filter this is. This is the Air Extreme, but this video is not about that. It's about this here, the Typhoon air intake. So I've been running this Typhoon air intake system for about 2 years now, and it connects over here to the turbo down there. This part is directly factory from Volkswagen. So what you get in the kit is this part here, which is aluminum. This part here, which is aluminum. This box, this air box here, which I really don't like the design because this side really allows some hot air to come in, which is not a lot because this is considered the cool side of the engine. This is considered the hot side of the engine because this is crankcase, gets pretty hot over there. Oil and all that good stuff, oil lines and all that stuff there. But over here, it does allow hot air to come in here, so I'm really not a fan of this design. I'm actually probably considering I might just engineer this box myself and create my own box out of carbon fiber. You want something done right, you gotta either do it yourself or modify what you have. And I like to mess with things, so I'm probably gonna just go ahead and modify this one and probably close in this area a little bit more, just to reduce any hot air from coming around or circulating inside of the engine anyway. But so this is going to be the box that comes with the kit, and it comes here. It bolts on. There's some bolts here. It bolts in, and everything goes directly connected to factory. You don't have to do any modifying or anything like that. These little shrouder housings come with it. I'm not a fan of these as well. I just don't like the aesthetics of them. They work functionally, but I just don't like the aesthetics. And there's another bolt, I believe, down here in the bottom. And you just put those bolts on. These click in here to these little rubber grommets. Sorry about that. These little rubber grommets here, and they sit on these little clips. I would pull it out, but it's a pain. There it is. That's out. So then you just push it right back down. Very self-explanatory. Anybody have ever installed one of these, they would know. It's very simple, straightforward. But this is just my quick review. It works very well. I don't like the aesthetics of it. I'm big on aesthetics because if your car doesn't look good, sometimes it doesn't feel good, or that could be just my crazy OCD. But as far as these, I'm probably going to look for a replacement, some sort of way to maybe make this pipe all in one, which would, of course, reduce any type of air leaks. I mean, there isn't any air leaks with the supplied stuff from K&N. Works really well. I'm just looking to make it a little bit better. So you have your mass airflow sensor. It screws directly in here. Then you have your bypass down here. And that all connects to the factory stuff. So you just, this little hose comes with it, and these little ratchet bolt things, I can't remember the names of them. But I'll have this in system link in the description. Anybody interested in it for their Volkswagen Passat, this is the I believe it fits the B7 and the B8 variant, but I could be wrong. Please comment down in the comment box. Like this video, share this video with any Volkswagen enthusiast, and this is Perez's Corner Out, and thanks for watching.